Okay, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to install the Crossover Symmetry door belts. I'm gonna use your standard size door, but it's gonna fit on just about any door you're gonna run into. You just need to make sure that it closes securely. So just making sure that it's not gonna sling open on you while you're pulling on the bands. And these door belts, they are 7 feet long. So you can also use these around stuff you'll find out in the wild, trees and fences and things like that. It works super well on those. I've used them off of car doors. So your imagination, let it run wild if you want to use these in other places. Now, let me show you how these install. You'll notice that on one side, you have 2 close rings, and then you have 1 ring on the outside. So this is gonna allow you to size it to different size doors. So if you look at this door, okay, the 2 inner rings, or the inner ring is gonna be the one I use. Okay, if I had a bigger door, I was gonna use the outer ring. Okay, so for this size door, one of those rings will actually be on the back side of the door. Okay, so the Crossover Symmetry patch will actually be inside the jamb of the door. Okay, so let's go ahead and get it set up, and then we'll move to the inside and get going. All right, so I've got 1 D-ring on the inside. I can see the other D-ring here, and I got my other side D-ring here. And then I'm gonna wrap it around the door, I'll hit on the inside, and we'll get it set up. All right, now on this side of the door, let's finish the installation. So the first thing you're gonna do is find a general door sizing. Okay, so I've got my 1 D-ring on the back because I'm using the smaller door sizing. Okay, and then you're just gonna get a general sizing of the door. Okay, so there you go. It fits really nicely, and that would honestly work really well. But there's still a little bit of slack in there. Okay, you might try to take it out by just pulling on it, but it's pretty tough to do. The easier way to go about this is just to unbuckle it, tighten it up just a bit. So you're just gonna sneak up on it. And now, I'm gonna go back again. And now I can really crank on it and get a nice and snug fit. And then from there, just slide it up to the height you want, and you're ready to get going. So let's go to the other side and we'll check the rest of it out. Okay, so now you can see the door closes tightly on the doorbell to hold it even more snug, and your band's set up right off of those D-rings. And you'll do the same process for your lower attachment, and you'll be ready to get going.